Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to make a sizzling garlic fish sauce beef stir fry using tender beef fillet. If you don't have fish sauce, you can totally swap it out with soy sauce. It's okay. This dish is best served with fresh lettuce and herbs to balance the richness. Here are the ingredients you'll need: beef fillet, eggs, cooking oil, fish sauce, sugar, seasoning powder, black pepper, cornstarch, shallots, garlic, chili, fresh herbs, and lettuce. I'll leave the full recipe in the description below. Wash the beef and slice it into bite-sized pieces. Now, let's marinate the beef. Gently massage and mix so the meat absorbs all the flavors. Once marinated, cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for about 30 minutes. Next, let's prepare the sauce. It really depends on your taste. If you're not a big fan of spicy food, just go easy on the garlic and chili. Now, I'm going to fry the beef in some cooking oil. Once fried, set the beef aside on a plate. Now it's time to cook the sauce. Look at that beef, juicy, tender, and coated in a fragrant, savory garlic fish sauce. It's colorful, delicious, nutritious, and so good for your health too. Thank you so much for staying with me until the end of today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.